Yeah, so let me show you how I made this guitar melody sample loop, 8 bar guitar loop. I use the nylon soft guitar, not the acoustic. uh, so I added the FX equalizer, EQ, and then the reverb 2, and the EQ to remove the lows, and the tape delay. Also I had to decrease the and lower down the time effect here, meter per second, 99 meter per second. I use the wow and fluffer, FX wow and fluffer to get that vintage guitar vibe. And then I added the FX equalizer again because this guitar is kind of like it's sounding from like I had to pitch it down in octave, so I had to remove the lows, the basic of the guitar, the bass inside the guitar. So let me start with the C sharp minor scale, and I had to start with a simple minor triad. So we'll have a C sharp like this, C sharp major minor chord like this. So let me remove this and try to restart everything so that you can understand how to make guitar samples in flstudiomobile. So okay, so after making the chord, I had to pitch the E up an octave, like I had to move it up an octave. Okay, so after moving the E up an octave, then I had to invert the chord progression, and then I had to move these top notes to the right 3 times. Okay, 3 times, so that I can start strumming the guitar right in flstudiomobile. And yeah, man, after I had to remove, also do the same in the top note only, so that I can start strumming the guitar as if like somebody strummed the guitar in real life, you know. So yeah, and then I had to change this, and everything is a process. So after making this guitar strummed chord, so you have to make it long, make it an 8 bar loop. Okay, make it an 8 bar loop, and then this is what you get. And that's it for the guitar melody loop, guitar strummed chord, nylon soft guitar. So now after that, I had to add more layers to the beat, right? So that like alone it will be like, yes, it's good main melody, but I need something else to also help it. Now let's go to the vocals. What I do with the vocals, I use the sample. I don't know if it's going to be audible, so increasing the FX level to so that I get the whole sample to match with the guitar, and I hope it sounds good.